Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a unboxing. We got a brand new subscription today, BABEBOX. It is a makeup box. This is the bag it comes in. There's also a box inside. Hashtag love BABEBOX. So this is just that. Oh, I also got my smoothie right here. Let's turn that out. Alright. And this is almost like an equivalent to a BoxyCharm. It is $24. So this is how it looks. And like that. So it's a little dented right here. I don't know if you see it, but whatever. As long as the products inside are good. Alright. This comes with a little card, and it does tell you a little bit of stuff about the stuff on it too. Oh, this is really cute. So it has like a little sticker you open. So I'm gonna do it. So I want to do it nicely, but it's cute because the other one didn't have like a sticker. I don't want to rip it, so I'm just going to be nice. Okay, I ripped it. Oh, this is cool. Alright. So this is how it looks on the inside. Sorry I ripped the paper, guys, but... Alright, let's start with... Oh, so these are collagen infused lip masks, a 5-pack. And I'm going to open it and see what it looks like. I've never used a lip mask before, but I am definitely open to try one. I want to open it so bad, but like I don't know how long it takes to do. It says creates a full lip appearance, reduces fine lines, hydrates, softens, and firm skin around the lip area. So it feels kind of hard. Maybe I'll open it at the end of the video and show you guys, and I'll do it as well. Alright, so Steve Laurent. I'm pretty sure it's a lip oil. Okay. I've never heard of lip oil. Let's open it and see what it says. It says orchid, so I'm pretty sure it's like a lip gloss, maybe. I think I opened it the wrong side. I don't know why this has to be so hard to get out. I'm sorry I'm struggling, guys. I'm really tired. I need a nap. There you go. So it really just looks like a oil. It's clear, like a rose pink almost. Let me read what it says. It doesn't tell me what it is. I'm sorry guys, I'm uneducated. Oh, so it's like a moisturizer. Alright, I'll give it a try. So it's like glossy. It's like thicker, but I mean, it does feel really nice on your lips. Sorry, my camera angle is really bad, so it's hard to test stuff. It's definitely a thicker gloss, but it's like hydrating. I feel like how it doesn't feel like your lips are dry, if that makes sense. Alright, so I'm just going to put that right there. Okay, now I got a face oil with hyaluronic acid. I probably said that all kinds of wrong, but whatever. This is the brand. My camera really sucks at focusing, guys. It just wants to focus on my face. So you're supposed to massage 2 to 3 drops and you a clean face morning and night. So I'll do it after I wash my face tonight. And then I have a little sponge. I actually don't have one of these, so I'm really excited to see how it works. I normally use a brush, but I'm definitely excited to see if this does it better than a brush would. I'm surprised I have never used a sponge before because it is hype, but I'm not always about hype, so... this looks like another lip liner. It says gel liner. So maybe it's like a multi-use. Alright, but this is the last thing in the box. So overall, if I were saying I was comparing it to the BoxyCharm, I'd have to say BoxyCharm is better for the money. I think I'd stick with BoxyCharm over the BABEBOX, even though these aren't bad products at all. I just feel like it's more oils and everything is more like an oil or like a lip mask, or like this is like basically the only makeup I have is this liner right here. So I mean it's not bad. I just feel like for BoxyCharm you got more for your money, but I definitely I'm not mad at this box at all. So this is how it looks. I'll show you the name, and then we're gonna So this is definitely like a darker color. I don't know if I could use that for my lips. But I'm not mad at the box. I'm going to go ahead and keep everything back in this box. My next video should be an IPSY. I'm waiting for that to come in my IPSY bag, and I'm excited for that. I'm also going to be doing my sister's baby shower. I'm vlogging that, and I'm going to be posting a video about that too. So if you guys want to like and subscribe to my page and keep me, sorry guys, and stay updated on everything that's going on. You can also follow me at Twitter at JamieDeanna15. I'm looking forward to hearing back from you guys, all the good feedback, all the bad feedback, and you guys have a good day.